Hello and welcome to AMPRO. My name is David Powell. Today's video, the one for 2020, is on job types. Job types is what is used in asset management to group jobs that are performed under the one heading. For example, breakdowns, corrective maintenance. What I've noticed in my time is that we tend to be adding far too many job types to make any meaningful reporting analytic data. Here you can see I've got jobs that haven't been assigned a job type at all. We've got breakdowns and failures, we've got corrective, we have repair, we have periodic PM and major PM. We've even got job types called on hold, and that's really a job status, which we'll talk about another time. So what we want to try and do is group these together so we can have a look at exactly the type of work we're doing, knowing with the ability then to drill down and find out more about that. So when we've got breakdowns and failures, they can be combined. And here you can see we've got corrective maintenance, which encompasses repairs and so on. We've got PMs, which is the same as a major PM. So once we've got that information, we can now go, right, well, let's drill down a little bit further and see what else we can get from that information. So from our breakdown, we can see that we've got 5 electricals, we've got mechanical, we've got major PMs under the PM grouped as differently. At the end of the day, it's PM, but it's grouped in such a way that we can then make analytic data useful to us. So we can group those down in such a way that we can see instantly that we're getting our corrective maintenance done before breakdowns and so on, and that our PMs are being done, but we need to improve on this to reduce our breakdowns and so on. But to do our categories, we go up and we set up all the categories, and this is where you can put any number of categories that are going to make sense to you. So rather than having too many job types, keep that tight and then break down the work using categories when you're applying them to a job in AMPRO.